Now my daddy, he came in, he worked late, and it was in the winter time when it gets dark early. And he come running in the house, excited. He said, grab that gun. He said, I seen a good one, right? And we lived out in Diamond Head. And we'd kill them pet deer, big ones, and we'd eat them. We'd eat the piss out of them. We'd sold our home, and we'd moved into Diamond Head while we were building another place, and we had a basement. My mom and dad would be down there skinning deer. I'd be down there too, you know. But he told me, he said, hey, grab that gun, get in the truck. We got to go. He'd get all excited, you know. I would too. We got in that four-wheel drive. We went on down the way, turned around, and coming back around the curve, my daddy pulled that truck over and he said, there he is. And you could see him, big majestic thing, beautiful creature, monster, seasoned. And you know how it is when you're shooting from the passenger side. That driver's got to back on up, put that seat out, make sure that barrel goes past their head, you know. And about the time that I got that barrel, he reached up and he pushed. And I looked at him, and he shook his head. He said, that's just too great. We're going to let him walk. There he is. This morning across this nation, right, the truck drivers, the people in the field, the people serving dinners, digging out their dead, cutting trees, making sure no one is looting their stuff, right? When you see one of those people, you see greatness in action, right? You see people of sacrifice, of integrity, of weight and merit, doing things above what we normally call human. We call that greatness, right? And I want you to take the time this morning, right? When you see one of these people, to reach over and grab their arm and remind them, there he is. Just like that day my daddy reminded me that there was some things that were so great, some things of such treasure, beauty and majestic, right? That it was not worth putting on a wall, but it was just worth experiencing. To love, to hold, right? And if you're wondering what it is that will make you great, make you see more, become more, you'll know. Because somebody will touch your arm and remind you, there he is. There he is, North Carolina. There he is, Tennessee. There he is, Florida. There he is, Georgia. Lo and behold, the American hero, fluent English.